Good day everyone. Today we are going to discuss about another input function that is getchar and getcher. E. These functions are used to get input from the user. So for getche, the function of getche is similar to getch function which we have already done. Stands for get character echo. This function displays the character that entered by the user. It is also a predefined function in conio touch, but unfortunately program is not providing us conio, so I'm not going to use conio in this program as well. As you can see in the previous program, that getch didn't successfully run on my compiler of program is. I will try another compiler and give you the result, but it's okay. So I'm using the same compiler but with another example. So as you all know, I have write the example. As you all very well know, the hash include IO stream and using namespace and int. Every time I describe this, that IOStream hash include used to display the input output function in the program. So we have to include must in every C++ program because this file tells the compiler and the CPU of the your computer that how these functions will interact with each other, how you will get the display on the screen, and how you can get the input from the user. So using namespace, tell the compiler we are using the standard names of the C++. Main function tell the compiler that our program going to be start. Flower bracket is the indication of the start of the body of the program. Here I just declare as character data type with ch, which store the value in ch. It is a character. Character mean anything on the keyboard, that is alphabet, symbols, numbers, anything. And then I declare two variables a and b, which will going to use a data type called int. I just initialize a with the value 10 and b with the value also 10. You can write any kind of value in a and b just to say what it will going to do. A Cymbal operator is used, which is equal sign to assign the values to a and b, that is 10. And 10 is a constant value, that when every time the program run, the values will be the same. Whatever it will be, it will give the same result as always, and it gives the same result every time the program run. It will not give you any other value as we are using constant numbers. So here is a cout statement that tell the user that you want to continue or not. User will might be enter y, capital, small, n, any character. Y is also a character, n is also a character. We are not restricting over here. We just want a character from the user. We are not restricting the user writing capital A or small a. And here in ch variable, we just write our input function, that is get char. Ch is my variable. You can write any alphabet, any combination of alphabet for this variable. So get chr function is used in C++. Read the character from standard input stream. It's defined in studio.h header file. It's also IO stream. So I'm not going to add this file. Needs to press enter key after entering the character. So let's see. I just use my arithmetic operator to just add the value of a and b, which is a constant value which I given for using this program. I'm going to run this program. Let's see what will be the result. So the question is there, do you want to continue? You write yes, you write no, and addition is 20, but you are not control. Whatever it is written, it will be displayed. We are not giving any kind of condition, whether you write by, whether you write or you write n, capital or small, the next statement will be executed. And in this way you can use the get char character input function, which includes that, which sum ups the things that you have to get the value, any kind of character from the user. There is last function of input that we can use, which is gets. This is a predefined function in C++, and it reads characters from standard in and store them until a new line character found. It is defined in cstdio. Header file program code shows how to apply this function. So get a variable. It's a very simple variable. You can use this example that is shown to practice it. But let me see if I can do. I just get a value of a. Let's see. I just get the value of a. First, I have to display a message, that is enter any number. Remember to write a semicolon at the end, and let this statement be in the new line, and let's write get statement, and I just have the value in a, and get statements end, and remove this value of a from here. So in this way, we are going to enter any value in variable a. Before that, it's a constant value. So here you can get the concept of a variable and a constant value. Assignment operator. So how you can use the assignment operator, how you can assign different values, how you can add, subtract. Here you can subtract the number, here you can add the number. We will going to discuss about it in another program. So let's run this program and see what it gives us the result. Okay, so there is one error. Here we have to write f gets as given by the program. So it's given me many errors. That means we have to include the file missing. I'm just giving these kinds of uh, what you can say errors. So you can see that errors are there. The errors are coming. It's not a problem. If errors are there because you are doing something. So try to figure it out because every compiler have their own kind of errors. Let's see. Again, it is not giving me. So that means I cannot use this gets function over here for the reason that the compiler is not giving me or just can't understanding the header files. So I hope so you understand the main functionality of the input function. So in basic things we use in, that is the best input function to use, which is not going to give you any kind of SL, but when you run it, enter any number, well and good. I enter 6, and we want to continue. It didn't ask me to get any number and give me the result. So in this way you can just modify your program in any other way. So here are the 5 functions. This is, you hope so you understand the functionality. It's okay if the compiler is not giving you that kind of answer, but you understand how the 5 functions work, how the input functions work, and how the output function helping input function to display the message and to display the result. Hope you understand the basic concepts. Thank you very much.